Good morning and welcome back to the third video of Chapter 2 of Unit 2 Pronouns. Subject Grammar. We have completed half of our book exercises till page number 37. So today we will see the remaining questions of the chapter, that is on page number 38, 39 and 40. So let's get started. Page number 38. We use this or that for nouns that mean one or singular. We use these or those for nouns that mean more than one, that is plural. We use this and these for people, places, animals or things which are near us or which are close to us. We use that and those for people, animals, places or things which are far from us. Let us see an example. Read these sentences. This is a chick. The chick is near us, near the hand. That is a hen. The hen is far. These are birds. There are more than a bird, more than one bird. These are birds. Birds are close. Those are trees. Trees are far. Let us do the exercises to make the concept more clear. E. Write this or these. First, dash are chairs. This one is already done for you. Children, we will use these for plural nouns and we will use this for singular nouns. These for plural and this for singular. The first one is dash are chairs. Chairs are plural. So we will use these. The second one is dash is a table. Table, that means singular, one table. So we will use this. Third, dash are children. Children, plural. More than one child are called children. So we will use these. The fourth one is dash are flowers. Plural, these. One is dash is a frock. Singular, frock is singular. So we will use this. Write that or those. Here we will use those for plural nouns and that for singular nouns. I have one more easy trick for you. We will use those with are. Wherever there is are, we will use those. And we will use that with is. Those are, that is. This is a very simple and easy trick. The first one is dash are mango trees. Those are mango trees. Second, dash is a bat. A bat, singular. So we will use that. Third, dash are shops. Those are shops. Fourth, dash is a book. Is that. That is a book. Fifth one, dash are sweets. Sweets, plural. So, those. G. Look at the example and change this to these. This to these. We will convert this to these. In place of is a, we will use are and we will convert singular noun into plural noun. or simply we can say we will put S. The first one, that is an example for you. This is a tree. In place of this, we have used these. In place of is a, we have used are. And tree will be changed into trees. Second, this is a flower. In place of this, we will write these are flowers. This is a mat. These are mats. Similarly, this is a shoe. These are shoes. Again, this is a bag. These are bags. The last one, this is an owl. These are owls. What we have done in this question? We have changed this to these, is a to are, and singular nouns to plural nouns by putting S. H. Look at the example and change those to that. We have to change those to that. Those will be converted to that. In place of are, we will write is a. Here, the plural nouns will be changed into singular nouns. Those are pups. That is a pup. This is an example. Those are pups. That is a pup. In place of those, we have used that. Are will be converted into is a, and pups will be changed in pup. That is a pup. Second, those are monkeys. That is a monkey. Those that are is a monkey's monkey. Questions are given on page number 40. Third, those are peacocks. That is a peacock. Fourth, those are shells. That is a shell. Children, don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. As you know, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Fifth, those are plants. That is a plant. Sixth, those are palaces. That is a palace. Seventh, those are girls. This is a girl. Eighth, those are teachers. This is a teacher. Ninth, those are ships. This is a ship. 10th, those are houses. This is a house. So with this, we have completed the chapter pronouns. Now it's time to say bye. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep on practicing well. Thank you and have a good day.